your story now?
Yes.
Okay, Neil is ready to tell his mathematical story. Yes, Neil, continue.
Story: The Pencil Factory, written by Neil Mehra. In a pencil factory, 100 pencils were made. Out of that, 59 pencils were rejected and the rest were sent to the stock room, which already had a stock of 800 pencils. Next day, Ram and Sham bought 18 pencils each in the factory. One box had 6 pencils are packed in one box. How many pencils were left in how boxes, and how many pencils Ram and Sham bought?
Yes, yes, excellent story. I loved it. Okay, Neil, I am going to share your story with everyone today, and then they are going to solve your story. How many pencils are left at home? Okay, and then we will check the answers. Can we do that? Can all of us do that? Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have written the answer in the story.
Okay, very good. No issues then. Okay, now can we have Alia's story? Arna, please listen carefully. Alia, dhyan se, okay? Slowly so that everyone can understand. Yes, continue.
The Adventure, written by Alia Mehra. Once there were two boys, Nikhil and his friend Akhil. They both decided to go together in a jungle for finding an adventure. In the jungle, they found 3,252 mango trees and 2,456 plum trees. They discovered that adding the mango and plum trees made 5,078 trees altogether. But they decided to pluck some fruits. Then they decided to pluck some fruits from the trees. Suddenly, they saw some dogs who were hungry and who were looking for food. So they gave them 43 mangoes and 43 plums out of the 100. Nikhil asked, "How many fruits are left?" Akhil said, 14 fruits. So then they walked ahead on the path. They found a man who was asking them a riddle because he had 45 toffees and go he wanted to go distribute among few children. He wanted to know quickly what are the multiples of 45. The two friends told him 9 multiplied by 5 equals to 45. And each 15 multiplied by 3 equals to 45. So he distributed 3 toffees each to 15 children and left when Akhil said, "I have got 2 children for lunch, Sarah and Jia." So they had lunch together. When Nikhil found juicy juicy um, big oranges, he divided them in in three and gave it to the birds. Akhil and Nikhil were happy. They enjoyed the Max Jungle adventure. They found monster Max badges. The end.
Can we clap for her? Wonderful story. Very good. I liked